in the Christmas season, and it's an opportunity to get you to begin to think about your investment, either from what you've done in the last 11-12 months ish, and what you will be looking to do immediately after the celebration of Christmas. So that's why we're having a chat with the FBN Capital Limited. It's said to be a full-service investment bank and asset management company. It's a subsidiary of FBN Holding PLC, one of the strongest, we're told, and most dependable financial groups in Africa. It's a great pleasure to welcome Michael Oyebola, who's Director and Head Asset Management at FBN Capital. Great to have you here.
Thank you very much.
We've had you here before.
That's correct, yes.
This time around, let's start by asking, what does FBN Capital do?
FBN Capital is the investment banking and asset management subsidiary of FBN Holdings. FBN Holdings is the parent company for First Bank of Nigeria Limited, FBN Capital, FBN Life, which is insurance arm, and FBN Microfinance Bank. We are the largest institution in Nigeria, one of the strongest and one of the oldest. We'll be about 140 years old next year. So in terms of assets, in terms of safety, it is the safest financial institution in Nigeria at the moment.
Yeah, well, but shares can go up or down, they always say,
that is true.
Any kind of thing can happen, but you still have to rely on the judgment of those who are selling you the shares or who are helping you to manage your asset. But having said that, though, when you say that you've been in existence for quite a long time, it means that you've gathered experience over the years.
That's
and you're
correct.
able to do a lot more.
Yes.
But for Nigerians, there's still a large number of Nigerians who really don't understand anything about the stock market.
That's correct. Financial literacy is a bit of an issue. However, that is being currently tackled from all angles within the financial services industry, from the Securities and Exchange Commission to the Central Bank of Nigeria to the Debt Management Office and so on and so forth. But we at FBN Capital even take it further in that we have a number of products which are called mutual funds, collective investment schemes, and what they do is allow people to pool their resources together using a professional fund manager who would invest this money on their behalf, whether it's in shares, whether it's in treasury bills, whether it's in bank placements, whether it's even in real estate. Once you pull all this money together, you get the returns. You become a part owner of that vehicle, right? And professional managers manage it on your behalf. You don't need a lot. One of our products actually starts from investing from about 5,000 naira, right, to as much as you want. Now that allows you, one, to focus on your daily job. It allows you to pool resources together. It allows you to diversify your risk and spread your investments. And that is what we do mostly as a professional firm.
Okay, when you say that you have as little as 5,000 and you can start with that, does it mean that you then graduate from there on, or you can just say for the next 1 year, I only want to put down 5,000?
It's also a vehicle to help you save. You can start, as I said, with a minimum of 5,000. As you see your investment grow, or as you get your salary, or as you get more money, you can start putting more and more money aside. So it actually also acts as a savings vehicle, right? Your pension, which you save, you cannot access either, at least the best part of it, till you're about 50 or even 65. But these vehicles you can access at any particular point in time. They allow you to save, whether you're saving for your child's education, whether you're saving to buy a new car, whether you're saving to buy a new home, right? They are vehicles that allow you to save. So you can start with 5,000 naira, you can start with 50,000 naira, and keep on adding as regular as you prefer to do.
So who will be your target audience then, the kind of people you want to address now to say that you need to begin to talk to us with regards to your saving and your future and possibly future of your children?
I think it's, I'll say everybody. However, not everybody. There are spenders and there are savers, right? But what we're actually targeting mostly are those savers, right? We're encouraging people to save. We know that people do save. And if you're not saving, it is a very, very good idea to start saving. And so these products are for anybody who actually prefers. Now, we have 3 products. There's a money market fund, which is mostly for short-term investments. Now, if you're looking to invest over between 30 days and 1 year, then you can use the FBN Money Market Fund. If you're looking to invest between 1 year and 3 years, use the FBN Fixed Income Fund. If you're looking to invest over a longer period of time, 3 to 5 years or even longer, then you can use the Heritage Fund. So we have a product that is that's targeted towards every facet of the Nigerian economy. If you do need more information, you can always send us an email at mutualfunds@fbncapital.com, or you can ring or text us and we will call you back at 081-0082-0082. There are people waiting to speak to you. If you don't want to call, just send a text message and we will call you back.
Okay, that's good you mentioned that, but one of the things that some people will often wonder is when you look at the stock market, for example, and you're thinking, oh, this particular bank or this oil company or this telecoms company seems to be doing well from what you hear on the street. They're tempted to say, that's where I should put my money. How do you help to measure and direct people so that they're not basing their judgment of where their investment should go on what people say on the street?
That's where the professional fund manager comes in, and that's what they do on a daily basis. Within my team, I have those who look after treasury bills, I have those who look after real estate, I have those who look after the equity market. Even within the equity market, you then decide which bank do you want to buy, which telecoms company do you want to buy, which oil and gas company do you want to buy. Now, leave it to the professionals, let them do it. Now, your 50,000 naira, right, you start asking yourself, which bank do you buy? Which telecoms company do you buy? But if you put that 50,000 naira in addition to other people, the professional fund manager that we have within FBN Capital Asset Management now helps you do that. You can access your account at any particular point in time. We allow you to access it online. You can watch it 24 hours a day, and it actually shows you the number of units and how your units are performing. So you don't necessarily have to focus on what the market is doing. Just focus on what your asset manager is doing, and they will tell you what they're doing through a month. We actually issue a fact sheet, a monthly report, telling you over a particular month what has actually happened in the various markets.
Okay, so